Welcome to Investing with Danielle. I talk about investing small amounts of money over a minimum 10-year horizon using an investment portfolio I started in 2022 with approximately $5,000. The investment portfolio balance as of October the 4th, 2024 is $11,482. Total profit is $1,451. I always include the math. Now for an NVIDIA update. Symbol NVDA. As of October the 4th, 2024, the portfolio update. For context, NVIDIA had a 10-for-1 stock split June 2024. The current shares, 14 shares. Value, $1,765. Cost basis, total dollar amount invested, $347. And the profit, $1,417. Next stock study, Occidental Petroleum, symbol OXY. This is an oil exploration company. This happens to be in Warren Buffett's portfolio. And look at the prices from 1975 up to currently in 2024. You notice that the price was way up and now it's gone down. Here's the 52-week low and high. Again, you see how it's at the lower end. I'm keeping my eye on this particular stock. Next stock study, Target, symbol TGT. Here's the chart. Once again, we're looking at 1975 up until around 2023 to 2024. You can see a drop in price. However, the 10-year, when you look at the performance as of September the 27th, the 10-year is plus 146.18%. 1-year return is plus 42%. PE ratio is 16.10. Earnings per share, $9.69. And so look, the price is down on this. When I see stocks like Target and Occidental Petroleum with the prices going down, these are stocks that I'm familiar with and understand the company. Those are the kind that I'll consider buying. Here's another stock study, HCA Healthcare. It is the largest non-governmental operator of acute care hospitals in the United States. It's headquartered in Tennessee. At the end of 2023, the company operated 186 hospitals and approximately 2,400 ambulatory sites of care, including surgery centers, freestanding emergency rooms, urgent care centers, and physician clinics in 20 states and the United Kingdom. HCA sits at a ZAC ranked number 1 strong buy. HCA should be on investors' shortlist because of its impressive earnings, fundamentals, a good ZAC rank, and strong momentum. Let's look at some other things. It's $3.95. And the 52-week low and high is $215 to $403. If I were looking at this, I don't know that I would necessarily buy it as a potential good deal. I might buy it just to monitor the company. I mean, it does have a PE ratio of 18.52, and people are going to generally need to go to the doctor. Should you buy these three stocks before the U.S. presidential election? I thought this is very interesting, and let's look and see what three stocks they suggest to see if we see anything familiar. Oh, here's some takeaways. The S&P 500 index tends to rally during election years. Highest 12-month returns are typically in the year following midterm elections. So that's a little FYI regarding S&P 500 index. This is a long article. Let's just get to the good part. There's a lot of things about current things that are going on in terms of tariffs. Let's look at the three stocks to buy before the U.S. presidential election. We see Abercrombie and Fitch, symbol ANT, NVIDIA, Eli Lilly, symbol LLI, and we see NVIDIA, NVDA. Next, what are Aristocrat stocks? What are 25-year dividend aristocrats? Dividend aristocrats are a select group of companies in the S&P 500 that have consistently increased their dividends for at least 25 years. Here's an article from Benzinga. Very few investments achieve dividend aristocrat status, and only 3 of them are REITs. So the first one on that list that's a REIT is Federal Realty Investment Trust, symbol FRT. Realty Income Corporation is on the list. That's one of the companies I own. These properties also happen to be attractive to many of the most prominent consumer businesses with Walmart, Planet Fitness, and Wynn Resorts. These are some of the companies that rent from Realty Income Corporation. Here's another one. It's called Innovative Industrial Properties. I don't happen to own this right now, but I found it interesting. Well, I won't talk about what section. You could look at this. Okay, I'm not going to say that word. So anyway, it was nice to see that Realty Income Corporation is in the Aristocrat stocks. We're going to look at my tentative purchases. The strategy is dividend reinvestment, 52-week low high, Aristocrat stocks that are also REITs, Zacks #1 strong buy, use mutual funds to diversify, more international exposure, goal at least 10% of portfolio international. Available funds $249. This is tentative. Occidental Petroleum, symbol OXY, $10. The strategy is that Occidental Petroleum is at the low end of the 52-week low and high. Target, symbol TGT, strategy is Target is at the low end of the 52-week low and high. And dividend reinvestment. C3AI, symbol AI. Also, this is a AI company, obviously, the symbol's AI, and the strategy is the company's at the low end of the 52-week low and high. If you want to learn more about C3AI, you're welcome to go to my playlist. Realty Income Corporation, symbol O, $10. Strategy is it's an Aristocrat stock. It's a REIT with monthly dividends. We also looked at the 5-year chart and the return. I saw a negative 15.44 return. Next, symbol HCA Healthcare Incorporated. HCA Healthcare Incorporated, symbol HCA, $10. The strategy is earnings per share, PE ratio, 18.52. That's a very good PE ratio. And it was on Zacks #1 strong buy. And I'm purchasing just for study purposes. I mean, based on the 52-week low and high, if I just went by that, I wouldn't buy it. But I am curious to see what happens with this company. Apple Hospitality REIT, symbol APLE. The strategy is it was at the low end of the 52-week low and high. REIT with monthly dividend, and it is dividend reinvestment. Essex Property Trust REIT, symbol ESS. And here is the stuff about Southern California prices. The strategy is that it's an Aristocrat stock, 5-year chart with negative 9.48 return. Buy low, sell high. And we're benefiting from the high costs of West Coast housing in California. More importantly, for Essex investors, most of its portfolio assets are in America's most expensive West Coast rental markets. The high rental prices create an ideal scenario. It's expensive in California. Next is Federal Express, symbol FDX. The strategy is dividend reinvestment. You see all these ones that are $1, that means that I got some dividends. Last stock is Moderna, symbol MRNA, $10. The strategy is the low end of the 52-week low and high. Let's look at Moderna. There it is at the low end. You see that range, $62.55 up to $170.49. And look how it's on the low end there. Yep, that's why. That's just basically buying low and selling high. All right, so also mutual fund purchase for diversification, Fidelity International Index. So you can see all the purchases, 3M, Target, Simon Property, Realty Income Corporation, Prologis, Occidental Petroleum, Moderna, HCA Healthcare, Fidelity International Index, Federal Express, C3AI, Bank of America, Apple Hospitality REIT, Fidelity 500 Index. That looks like dividend reinvestment there. NVIDIA, there's a dividend from NVIDIA. There's something that says BlackRock merger. I don't know what that means. So something happened that I'm not quite sure on October the 2nd. Dividends from Federal Express, Simon Property, dividend from Prologis, dividend from Bank of America, dividend from MSCA Real Estate Index ETF, more dividends from BlackRock, Apple Hospitality, and we're down to that $100 contribution. So let me just give you overall how the balance is after I did the transactions and everything. This was the 7th of October, and the balance ended with $11,489, and the remaining for available trading, $131. Did a lot of trading this month. And the October 2024 investment portfolio is complete. Please go to the About section of my YouTube channel to learn more about where I am on social media. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Leave comments on LinkedIn, Substack, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Message me on Spotify. Thank me via my Cash App. Join me on Patreon. Until next time, enjoy the journey.